Hello, presently we are in the topic called properties of triangles, and in this section we are going to deal with an example. So we are given with the ratio of sides, which is 7:8:9. So you can write this ratio in the form of a by 7 is equal to b by 8, which is also equal to c by 9. And now let us assume all these values is equal to some value k. So from this step we can get the value of a, which would be 7k, and similarly the value of b will be equal to 8k, and then the value of c is 9k. And then we have to find the ratio of its angles. So first let us begin with cos A. So we can find the value of cos A by using cosine rule, which is b square plus c square minus a square divided by 2bc. And now let us substitute the values of b, which is 8k. So 8k whole square will be 64k square plus c square, which is 9k whole square, that is 81k square, minus of a square, which is 49k square, divided by 2 into the value of b, which is 8k, into the value of c, which is 9k. So that implies here by adding we get 145k square minus 49k square divided by, and here by multiplying we get 144k square. So that implies by subtracting we get 96k square divided by 144k square. And now this fraction would in turn become 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 is the value of cos A. So let us name this value as equation 1. So now let us find the value of cos B by using the formula c square plus a square minus b square divided by 2ca. And then substituting the values we get c square, which is 9k whole square, that is 81k square, plus a square, which in turn become 49k square, minus b square, that is 8k whole square, which in turn become 64k square, then whole divided by 2 into c, which is 9k, into a, which is 7k. So that implies by adding 81 and 49 we get 130k square minus 64k square, whole divided by, and then multiplying we get 126k square. So that implies we get the result as 66k square divided by 126k square. So the value of this fraction would be equal to 11 by 21, and this is the value of cos B. So let us name this as equation 2. And then the next angle is C. So let us find the value of cos C by using the formula a square plus b square minus c square divided by 2 into a into b. So by adding the values of a square plus b square we get 113k square minus the value of c square, which is 81k square, divided by 2 into 7k into 8k, which in turn become 112k square. So that implies here by subtracting we get 32k square divided by 112k square, and this value would be equal to 2 by 7, which is the value of cos c. So let us name this value as equation 3. And then by using all these equations we can find the ratio of angles. So the ratio of angles would be 2 by 3 is to the value of cos B, which is 11 by 21, is to the value of cos C, which is 2 by 7. And now let us get a common denominator. So in order to get a common denominator, let us multiply the first fraction with 7. So we get 2 by 3 into 7 by 7 is to 11 by 21 into 1 is to 1 is to 2 by 7 is multiplied with 3. So we get 3 divided by 3. So by multiplying all the terms we get 14 by 21 is to 11 by 21 is to the next fraction, which would be 6 by 21. So here these are the fractions with the common denominator. So that implies the ratio would be 14 is to 11 is to 6, which is the ratio of angles cos A is to cos B is to cos C. So make a note of cosine rule, which is cos A is equal to b square plus c square minus a square divided by 2bc. as this rule is important in solving examples in our next videos. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.